Welcome to Baharampur. It's a city in West Bengal, India. Baharampur is a mix of history, culture, and nature. Let's see what makes this city so special. Let's go back to the 1700s, a time when the Indian subcontinent was a mosaic of powerful empires and kingdoms. The Mughal Empire, one of the most influential and grand empires in history, held sway over vast territories, including the region we now know as Baharampur. Back then, the Mughals ruled this area with an iron fist, bringing with them a rich tapestry of culture, art, and architecture. Their influence can still be felt today in the remnants of their grand structures and the stories passed down through generations. Baharampur is part of Murshidabad, which used to be very important. Murshidabad was not just a city, it was a thriving hub of commerce, politics, and culture. It served as the capital of Bengal during the Mughal era and was a key player in the region's history. Powerful rulers called Nawabs lived here. These Nawabs were not only political leaders but also patrons of the arts and architecture. They played a crucial role in shaping the cultural and historical landscape of Baharampur and Murshidabad. They built big palaces and mosques. The most iconic of these structures include the Grand Hazardwari Palace with its 1,000 doors and the majestic Katra Masjid, which stands as a testament to the architectural brilliance of that era. You can still see these buildings today. They have withstood the test of time and continue to attract visitors from all over the world, offering a glimpse into the opulent past of Baharampur and Murshidabad. They remind us of Baharampur's exciting past. These historical sites and monuments serve as a bridge to the past, allowing us to connect with the rich heritage and vibrant history that has shaped the present-day Baharampur. Each visit is a journey through time, offering insights into the lives and legacies of those who once walked these lands. Baharampur is near the Bhagirathi River, a significant waterway in the region. This river is not just a geographical feature, but a lifeline for the people living here. The Bhagirathi River, with its serene and majestic flow, has been a witness to the history and culture of Baharampur for centuries. This river is really important to the people who live here. It provides water for drinking, irrigation, and other daily needs. The riverbanks are bustling with activity as locals engage in various tasks, from fishing to washing clothes, making the river an integral part of their daily lives. Baharampur is about 200 kilometers north of Kolkata, the capital city of West Bengal. Despite its proximity to such a bustling metropolis, Baharampur maintains a distinct identity, characterized by its slower pace of life and close-knit community. The journey from Kolkata to Baharampur takes you through picturesque landscapes, showcasing the natural beauty of the region. It's a much quieter city than Kolkata. The streets of Baharampur are lined with trees and old colonial buildings, offering a glimpse into its rich historical past. The tranquility of the city is a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of Kolkata, making it a perfect retreat for those seeking peace and calm. The Bhagirathi River, which comes from the Ganges River, flows through Baharampur. This connection to the Ganges, one of the most sacred rivers in India, adds to the spiritual significance of the Bhagirathi. The river's journey through Baharampur is marked by various ghats and temples, where people gather for religious ceremonies and rituals. It helps the farms grow and gives people water. The fertile plains along the riverbanks are ideal for agriculture, and the river's water is crucial for irrigating the fields. Farmers in Baharampur rely heavily on the Bhagirathi for their crops, which include rice, jute, and various vegetables. The river thus plays a vital role in sustaining the local economy. Life in Baharampur depends on this river. From morning till night, the river is a hub of activity. Children play by its banks, elders sit and chat, and vendors sell their goods. The Bhagirathi River is not just a source of water, but a source of life, culture, and community for the people of Baharampur. In Baharampur, you can hear old chants and folk songs. The streets come alive with the sounds of traditional music, echoing the rich cultural heritage of the region. Street musicians and folk artists perform with passion, keeping the age-old traditions alive. These melodies are not just songs, they are stories passed down through generations, reflecting the community's history and values. It's a city with lots of different cultures and religions. Walking through the streets, you can see a vibrant tapestry of diversity. People from various backgrounds coexist harmoniously, each contributing to the city's unique cultural mosaic. The blend of different traditions and customs creates a dynamic and inclusive atmosphere where everyone feels a sense of belonging. Hindu and Muslim traditions are both important here. The city is a testament to religious harmony where temples and mosques stand side by side. Festivals and rituals from both religions are celebrated with equal fervor, showcasing the deep respect and understanding between the communities. This mutual respect is a cornerstone of Baharampur's identity. You can see this in the festivals and the food. Festivals in Baharampur are a grand affair, filled with color, music and joy. The streets are lined with food vendors offering a variety of traditional dishes, each with its own unique flavor and story. The culinary diversity is a reflection of the city's cultural richness, with recipes that have been handed down through generations. Durga Puja is a big celebration here. The entire city comes together to celebrate this grand festival. Artisans work tirelessly to create intricate idols of the goddess Durga, which are then beautifully decorated and displayed. The streets are adorned with lights and decorations, creating a festive atmosphere that is both enchanting and welcoming. It's a time when the community comes together in celebration and devotion. People go to temples to celebrate the goddess Durga. Devotees gather in large numbers to offer their prayers and seek blessings. The temples are beautifully decorated and the air is filled with the scent of incense and the sound of devotional songs. It's a time of spiritual reflection and communal harmony where people come together to honor their faith and traditions. Lots of other religions are here too. Baharampur is home to a diverse religious landscape where people of different faiths live and worship together. Eid prayers at the mosque, Poila Boishakh celebrations and church services are all part of the city's religious fabric. Each community celebrates its own festivals and traditions, adding to the city's rich cultural tapestry. Everyone respects each other's beliefs. The spirit of unity and mutual respect is evident in the way people interact with one another. Interfaith gatherings and community events are common, where people from different religious backgrounds come together to celebrate and support each other. This sense of unity and respect is what makes Baharampur a truly special place, where diversity is not just accepted, but celebrated. Farming is very important in Baharampur. The land here is good for growing rice, jute and sugarcane. But farming isn't the only thing people do. There are also lots of small businesses. People make beautiful clothes here. Baharampur connects the farms to the bigger cities. Baharampur has lots of schools and colleges. Baharampur College was built in 1853. These schools help people learn and grow. There are also places like the Murshidabad Medical College and Hospital. These places help people stay healthy. Baharampur has lots of interesting places to visit. You can visit the Hazardwari Palace. It has 1,000 doors. It's a beautiful old building. You can also visit the Khatra Masjid, another beautiful building. And if you like nature, you can visit the Bhagirathi River. National Highway 12 goes through Baharampur. This road connects Baharampur to other cities like Kolkata. Baharampur also has a train station. You can hear the trains coming and going. Inside the city, you can take auto rickshaws or cycle rickshaws. Baharampur has a tropical climate. It gets very hot from March to June. People stay cool by the river or under trees. Then from June to September, it rains a lot. From November to February, the weather is cool and nice. Baharampur is a really interesting and vibrant city. It has beautiful old buildings, a peaceful river, and rich history. I hope you enjoyed learning about it. See you next time, dear viewers.